Have you ever felt like the last 5 years passed by in the blink of an eye? You're not alone. But here's the scary part. Science says if your days feel like they're flying by, your brain might be on autopilot, and that is the fastest way to age. Today, I'm going to show you how to hack time and keep your brain young using a secret weapon you probably haven't touched since childhood. The routine trap. When we repeat the same routine, work, eat, sleep, our brain stops recording new memories. According to Stanford neuroscientist David Eagleman, our perception of time is linked to how much new information our brain processes. Routine makes time disappear. This doesn't just make you bored, it leads to cognitive decline. Neuroplasticity and art. The fix? A hobby, but not just any hobby. Let's talk about neuroplasticity. A study from Harvard Medical School shows that engaging in new creative activities strengthens the connections between different brain regions. And here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to be an expert. A 2017 study from Drexel University found that just 45 minutes of making art, like drawing, significantly lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, in 75% of participants, regardless of their skill level. The drawing hobby. I want to be honest with you, I am not a professional artist, not even close. But when I pick up a pencil and start drawing, something magical happens. I enter what psychologists call the flow state. My brain stops worrying about the past or the future. I'm just there. It's a reset button for my mental health. Your brain is a use it or lose it organ. You don't need a masterpiece. You just need a pencil, a piece of paper, and 10 minutes. So what is the one hobby you've been ignoring? Tell me in the comments. Let's stop aging and start living.